welcome to a new game. All my folks that like me, or at least creepy hands popping out of the dirt like weirdos. I'm more joyful today, and let's custom play with your own rules, huh? Stronger enemies, rough survival. Stronger enemies, tougher survival. No enemies in worlds. Recommended game mode. Let's do this one. Enemies on, enemy health low. Let's do that. Enemy damage. Enemy aggression. Where's enemy aggression right here? Yeah, we're gonna do high. We're gonna do high for enemy aggression. And enemy damage, we're gonna put on low. So they're just gonna be attacking us, but they can't attack you. And let's see if my computer can comprehend it. Just wait. Anyway, let's see if Gare Bear, the AI I heard about this game, can do it. And let's see if I don't die of cannibals. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. That I don't die of cannibalism, whatever. Because I don't want to die of cannibals. The one thing I don't want to do is like die of cannibals. When you die of cannibals, it like stings because I have to, like, when you die in a cannibal camp, your backpack's there. And I'm only playing with Mr. AI over here, and he can defend himself, but I don't know how he defends himself. Does he just throw a spear or something? Because one time the AI got mad at me, right? And he came and killed. So I stabbed him, and then he kind of just attacked me. He just killed me. He went up to a spear and he was like, "I'm gonna teach you a lesson now. You understand me?" He's like that. He just creepily tried to come and murder my soul. So yeah, hold to do a heavy attack. I want that. I want to do a heavy attack. Please just go down. It stops and then it goes all the way down. What's going on? Oh, I see a helicopter. What's going on here? What are you? I'm in this helicopter. What in the world? What's that noise? Hello? Oh, Calvin. The guy that hits his ears and...
Last signal was from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not going to find anyone alive down there.
Dang, why are you talking so loud? Am I doing this? Shh. Okay, don't talk that loud. Age 63. Occupation Huff Corp CEO. Height 175. I don't know what that means. Eye color gray. Weight 75 kilograms. Wife Barbara Puffton. Virginia Puffton? That's a state. You know what? Have you died? Oh no, wait, I can't skip. That's a problem. E. Okay. Oh, is this helicopter even moving? Are we moving super slow? I can't tell. Hey, driver. Driver. Can you, because last time I accidentally, like, my videos don't get it. Like, some people are just like, be serious. And I'm like, but the fun in YouTube is just to be happy. This sensitivity little, yeah, the sensitivity isn't great. Isn't great. Are we there yet? So this guy's missing. Edward Puffton is missing, and we're gonna have to go find Edward Puffton. Let's. Barbara Puffton, age 60, 68 kilograms. Wait, how old is he? 63. So she's 3 years younger than him, and then their daughter is 20. That is such a young age to go missing. Okay, let's see. Oh, what? Oh, what? What is going on? Bro, I'm sorry. You'll make it. Trust me. Oh. The thing's filled up with water. Oh. Okay, let's exit. Come on. Okay, there we go. Let's go up to the top. There we go. Get some breather. Are we there yet? What? What in the world? This is a cutscene. Oh.
Now, who invited you here?
So, that dude in the white suit just decides to... Oh. Your hands, bro. Your hands, man. Ugh. Let's, yeah, let's grab that safety cube for accident. Yep. Okay. Let's go. I can help you. That's for sure. Come on, man. Get up. Get up off your baby feet. Oh, their eardrums are like blown out. Okay. Oh, there you go. Look at the pen thingy. Okay, so yeah, you're just gonna see, bro. Just follow me. Just follow me. Pretty sure the guy knows he's deaf. Oh dear, that's pretty bad. Oh, okay. Oh no. It's always with this. Okay. Come on. Yeah, let's see if my computer can do this. Okay. Okay, yeah. Nom, 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 nom. Let's close it. Okay, so Gary, we are gonna go, no wait, Calvin. We're gonna all go to, where's the smoke at? Oh, there's the cannibals. That's fun. They eat our flesh off. Okay. There. Tin foil. Okay. Ah, that's better. Okay, that's better. That's better. It's like that. It's like that first part. That it was just that first part. So I'm taking my tactical axe. All right, Gary, let's go chop some trees to go build a home or some logs. My tactical skills are better than ever. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I see. Yay. Okay. Okay. All right. 1 second. Come on, Gary. Let's go at least build a fort. Oh. What? What just happened? Back. What is going on? What? No. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to restart. Oh, there we go. Okay. There we go. I was able to escape. Okay, I gotta place this thing down. There we go. Right there. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's a perfect place. Okay. Oh. Huh? Ooh, grenade. Hoi! Kaboom! What is that? Is that C4? Okay. 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 After I build this tree, I might as well wrap up here. Chopping straight down. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more this forest game. Also, I haven't played the first one. So. If you're a first player, then you probably understand. Let me guess. I'm gonna guess. Aliens. That's my first guess. Yeah, that's my first guess. That it's an alien. Aliens take your son and first guess. Or so the aliens take somebody. Somebody. Okay. There, the eye. Huh? Huh? There! Hooray! Might as well wrap it up. Thank you for watching another Gruffalo Cake Gaming video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. And you'll see more of this. Bling, 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 bling.